you come from?
Front door.
Why would you come from the front door? Hey, what's up guys? So for today's video, I'm gonna be taking out the door panels and we are gonna be doing door inserts where the OEM black panels are at. And I'll switch it up to match my Recaros. Yeah, in the Kevlar color. I really want to do this because this shit looks crusty. It's only been, what, 12 years of ownership? Yeah. But we'll do this for now. So yeah, it's pretty simple to take out the panels. It's literally one screw here, one clip here, slide the panel out, take the handle out, and pops open. I'll show you here in a sec. Out. Just like that. There's a screw here. Pop that boy out. There you go. That's it. Comes right out. Should be able to just pry this door out, handle out too. There you go. Huh. Who's smart idea was to zip tie this? Panel's all fucked up. I gotta fix that later. First panel out. And we'll start taking out the rest of the doors.
Cry at all, but why is it always close, ranging from a movie scene?
Alright guys, so we did a test run on the driver's side. On the back side, this is what we do. So you see these little plastic welds, you have to drill them out just to break the plastic. And then you have the screws to hold them together. So if you have those, you're good to go. So I'm gonna start taking out the screws and I'll show you what I do to drill out these plastic welds.
No need to be stressed, gotta take it home instead. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love, better hear the chorus again. For now I will feel the ocean too. And I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it makes sense to what the reasoning was.
Alright guys, so for the next step we are going to lay the fabric. So yeah, we're using the 3M multi-purpose adhesive. Just going to spray and lay it on and let it dry, and once it's done we install it back into the door panels. Should be very simple, very straightforward. Go from there.
Alexa's dreaming now, drifting off my couch. We walked down streets she's walked 1,000 times. At the AM that night, under palm tree lights, for the first time I came alive when summer died. I didn't want it to close its eyes on me. I shook off every warning. Sometimes you gotta never died.
Turned out pretty fire. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Yeah, for today we did the door inserts. It actually took a 2-day process, and yeah, I'm in a totally different shirt. But yeah, let everything dry, cured, and go from there. I'll do some detail shots here and sit for y'all. Thanks. Alright guys, if you guys like the channel, please sub down below, like, comment, and subscribe. I said that twice, but you know what I mean. Appreciate it. See y'all in a bit.